Today topic of lecture, what is management, characteristics of or features of management. Management mean to manage men, machinery, material and money to achieve certain goals and objectives. It is called a management. Management mean manage men, machinery, material and money to achieve certain goals and objective. It is called a management. Management, this four sources: men, machinery, material, money, properly utilize. It is called a manage. That all are four sources you properly utilize any company, any institution, any program, any activity success in properly or reach the goal. Anyone not properly utilize the resources that effect of total or works or activities not reach the goal or objective. Any business, any institution, any company, all are. Next one is characteristics of management or features of management as follow. Nature of management. Management is an inborn quality. Management is an inborn quality. Management is basically multidisciplinary. Management is flexible in principles. Management is its organization differ. Management is a science. Management is an art. Management is a profession. Last one, management is an universal process. These all are nature of management. First one is management is an inborn quality. Next one, management is basically multidisciplinary. Next one, management is flexible in principles. Next one, management is its organization differ. Next one, management is a science. Next one, management is an art. Next one, management is a profession. Last one, management is an universal process. These all are nature of management or features of management or characteristics of management. These all are one by one. Explain now. First one is management is an inborn quality. Management is has born quality. It is some management qualities is born, get some peoples already by birth, not study specific. This management principles, techniques, methods, not study. That by birth you learn. For the example, already some business peoples or industrialists, they that persons or children's automatically you by birth you quality of the management. That persons also not studied, especially this management principles and functions. Some persons have by birth qualities of management. It is one of the nature of management. Next one is management is basically multidisciplinary. Management is basically multiply disciplinary. It is a body of knowledge and it takes the concepts from other disciplinaries such as economics, accounting, statistics, psychology, sociology, history, mathematics, managerial economics, etc. That all are subject principles, concepts in this include the management. Why this management persons also more require knowledge. So many decisions you taking the different times or businesses, different situations. That purpose also more require the knowledge. You studied the different types of subjects. So it is a multidisciplinary subject, not one type of subject. All disciplinaries you studied in this subject. It is one of the nature of management. Management is flexible in principle. What is flexible? Changeable, transferable, situationally, sometimes compulsory need changes of our objectives or principles. So in this subject also option avail anytime, any principle, any concepts, any methods, our situationally changeable, not permanently, not fixed. This is one of the nature of or characteristics of management. In this management is the any principles also any time situationally change of principles, modification of principles. Management, each organization differ. Management is the all institutions, all businesses, all companies not same. Every business, every organization, every company, some difference, not common to the all in this businesses. Same organization or in the company, person to person, individual or objectives, goals also differ, principles also differ. So management is each organization differ, all are not common. This is one of the character or one of the nature of the management. Management is a science. Science is the some methods, techniques or permanently. You are also follow that methods, that principles, same result. Every person, any person, you or my, you apply that principle, that method, that the technique, result is same. It is called a science. No variation of the result. Apply the same formula, same method. That all are sciences. In this management science also, some principles, some techniques, some methods also all are apply. Any person, you, my or others apply that method, result is the same. It is called a science. Result also constant. It is one of the social science. Management is the social science. Is known the behavior of the people or persons. Management is an art. Art is the creation or different persons also different skills, different knowledge you create. In this also sometimes different problems, the solving time also taking the decisions. Some different decisions. Some persons also quickly take the decisions. Some persons also delay take the decisions. Some persons also not take the decisions own, depend the others. It is one of the art, one of the skill, taking the decision making power. This develop the experience, qualifications, that field knowledge, etc. So management is the an art. Different managers, different enterprises to take the different type of decisions. That it is called a art. It is called depend the that manager's knowledge or that field knowledge. It is called a management is the art. Management is a profession. What is profession? Management is a profession. Is a occupation based upon specialized intellectual study and training. It is called a profession. Profession means occupation based upon specialized intellectual study and training. It is called a profession. Profession means some type of occupations, works. You studied the specialization, full effort, that field, that works, that all are professions. For example, engineering also profession, doctors also profession, chartered accounts also profession, lawyers also profession, management also profession. That purpose also studied the in this field persons, you increase the specialized skills, studied the specialized skills. Some subject also specialization. For the example, marketing manager, that qualification also, that subject specialized. Take that field special, you studied the total market. Finance manager, that field also specialization subject. This management also different specializations, different works or occupation. Occupation means some type of work. Agriculture, that is one occupation. Engineers, that is one type of work. That field also more knowledge. Study the specialized, full effort. It is called a profession. Management is also profession. Last one is management is an universal profession. Management is an universal profession. Universal means all, not one. Whole, not single. It is a not only businesses use, different field that management use, or outsiders, or politicians, or clubs, hotels, programs, activities, different fields. This knowledge also required, not only one business. You are also, my also. Use of these all are principles, concepts, methods. You taking the decisions, operate the activities. So it is called a universal. Management is an universal, all, not one. These all are nature characteristics of management. First one is management is an in burn quality. Management is basically multidisciplinary. Management is flexible in principle. Management is its organization differ. Management is a science. Management is an art. Management is a profession. Management is an universal process. It is a nature and characteristics of management. Next one is important of management. What is important? Management. So many advantages, so many benefits of the management. Different fields that all are you studied in this topic. Importance of management, significance of management, advantages of management as follows. First one is help in achieving group goals. Optimum utilization of resources. Reduce cost. Establish a sound organization. Essential for prosperity of the society. These all are importance of management. First one is help in achieving group goals. Optimum utilization of resources. Reduce cost. Establish a sound organization. Essential for prosperity of the society. These all are one by one explained now. First one is help in achieving group goals. Management knowledge also use or rich. Group goals. Goals mean targets, objectives, tasks. Group also number of peoples, all our employees or workers, everyone, your tasks, objectives, who help the management knowledge. All persons or employees, our tasks, our goals, you properly achieve, automatically you get the more profits in the companies or institutions or businesses or programs also success. Every person or allotted tasks, all are you success completed in time. That program is success. That purpose used to the management knowledge. Individual and group also achieve the goals, their objectives in time. Help to the management. That is one of advantage or benefit of the management. Next one is optimum utilization of resources. Optimum, full utilization, use resources, Resources mean our required any activity, any program, any product need men, machinery, money, material. These all are resources also required. That all are you properly utilize full capacity. That purpose use the management knowledge. Manpower also you properly utilize. Missions and equipments also you properly utilize. Full material also you properly utilize. Money also properly utilize. That purpose use the management knowledge. So all are you properly utilize our business, our company, our institution, our program, our activity success. Why? All are you utilize properly. No waste, no avoid. To success your programs, your activities, your business. That purpose use of the management knowledge. Next one is reduce cost. What is reduce? Reduce means decrease. Cost also expenditure. Any product price depend on that cost, production cost. Production cost is more, that product price is more. Price is more, not willing the more persons or peoples or users or consumers purchase our product or our services. Not more persons purchase our product or service, sales is decrease. Sales is decrease, our income, our revenue also decrease. Sales is decrease, our revenue also decrease. Our revenue, our income also decrease, our profit also decrease. Main objective, main goal, any entrepreneur, any business peoples get the more profits. So this management is the control the cost, our product cost. Use the techniques, methods, principles to our production cost is the control. So our production cost also reduce, our price also low. Our product price is also low. You purchase the more persons, more users or buyers. Our sales also increase. Our sales also increase. Our income, revenue also increase. Our income, revenue increase. Our profits also increase. So management knowledge use increase the profits, decrease the product price. Next one is establish a sound organization. Establishment, sound. strong. Organization also structure our employees or arranged systematically. You selection of our manpower, everything also you systematically, you our missions and equipments, material, you follow the some methods. Our employees or workers, you qualified or experienced person, you full knowledge persons, that field more skills person you selected. That purpose you properly use of the some techniques, some methods in the management science. After you selected the our employees and workers, you conduct the training programs. That is of the training our employees and workers, improve the skills, improve the knowledge, that work. That is of the our company, our institution, more skilled persons, more knowledge persons, you more production. So our organization also very soundly, no weak. That all are used to the different methods, different techniques applied to the our works. So management establish a sound organization. That is the use of the improve the our business, our company, our institution in future. Not sound organization, not qualified, insufficient employees and workers, no skilled. That is a weak of the our organization. That effect of the our institution, our company, our business. So management is the established sound organization, help to the higher authority in the businesses. Last one is essential for prosperity of the society. This is not our business peoples you use only, outsides also, our users, consumers, or buyers, different fields also, more benefits. Management knowledge, use of the our company's product quality, development, minimize the cost, provide the new technology, innovation, or products or services up to date. Knowledge also you apply management. So products also goods, low price, quality products, up to date knowledge, new features, avail the society. So society also use of the management knowledge. Some companies, some institutions, some business peoples, enterprises, our profits, some percentage provide the welfare of the society outside, provide the free education, provide the free health, some different activities you conduct the our profit some amount. So management knowledge use more get the profits. That profits also some amount, some percentage you provide other public helper activities. So management is a essential for prosperity of the society also, not business peoples or entrepreneurs. This knowledge is to the outside peoples also. These all are importance, significance of management. First one is help in achieving group goals, optimum utilization of resources, reduce cost, establish a sound organization, essential for prosperity of the society. Today class we know the what is management, nature of management, importance of management. This topic is over. Thank you.